Hello students, so this is my third part for chapter number 1, rational number and irrational number for class 8 students. So basically when I have uploaded my second part of my video on chapter number 1, so I have received few requests wherein it was stated that in few sum there is some error, you can say. Yeah, so basically one of them is this sum, and one of them is this one. So if you see clearly guys, so what we have done in this sum is 14, we have taken 0, then point, then 0. 14 6 is 84, which you can see over here. 14 6 is 84, then the remainder was 6, we took a 0 over here. Then what we took is 56, so 56, but 14 4 is 56, and by mistake we have written 5 over here, so this needs to be deleted and this will be 4. So this will be 4 over here, and if we see our remainder is quotient is 0.642857.42. So if we see 42, so this is repeating from here, so this number is going to repeat, so we need to put bar only on 428571 and not on 6. Okay, so this was one correction in this sum, and there is one more correction over here. So what we have done is, so let's do this once again. We have to divide minus 103 by 5. So this was minus 103 divided by 5. So what we did is 5 2s are 10, so this will get cancelled. So we'll have 3 as remainder. So but we cannot take directly point, so we need to multiply it by 0 first, and then this will be remainder, and then this will be 0, and then 5 6 are 30, and that's it. And this sign you need to put it over here, so this is minus 20.6. and in the earlier sum when we have done this previously, so yeah, that there was a mistake, I agree to it. We had not taken that 0 over here, we have missed to take that. So in such cases, if you miss to take this 0, so this sum, your entire sum will go wrong. So this is something you need to keep in mind, and keep on practicing as much as you can, and keep on asking questions. Okay, thank you for the students who have pointed this out to me, and have a great learning. Thank you.